Hi, my name is Kalim, and I focus on teaching high school math, focusing on grades 7 to 12, including grade 12 advanced functions and calculus. And I also focus on teaching computer science courses such as Java, Python, and SQL. Yeah, it doesn't even feel like I'm working. It just feels like I'm talking to someone like a friend, and I'm just helping him or her get through something. And it feels good to help someone and like they understand it. And it's always nice to hear that they did great on a test or an assignment afterwards. I really let them try to figure the question out on their own as much as possible before I intervene. So let's say they're having trouble with the question. I'll ask them questions about the question. So what's this? What's that? And usually they know that. They'll answer those small questions and then they can put those little answers together and solve the question. The fit between a tutor and the student definitely matters. I do believe that not all tutors can teach every student. Every student has like their own way of learning. And I feel like if you're a tutor, you should have more than one way of being able to deliver the procedure or way to solve an answer. And if those don't work with a particular student, like again, it doesn't mean that the tutor is bad or the student it doesn't understand it. It just means like he or she's not understanding that approach. So I do believe there needs to be a fit for sure.